Hi, my name is Jay Gaskill. I'm an account manager here at PepperDash. This year at InfoComm 2026, we've been showcasing our PepperDash portal, which is our rAVe operations platform, which is a centralized, intuitive hub for you to monitor your rAVe systems, devices, as well as your daily workflows. Think preventative maintenance checklists and other project management tools. This year we're introducing new features such as our agentic AI chatbot that'll help guide you through any issues that you may be facing in your rAVe environment, as well as new dashboards for room usage and other sort of executive level reviews. We are also on the programming side of the house, showcasing our Cisco Navigator solution, which uses HTML5 code to bring custom controls to Cisco Navigators. Thank you so much for coming to the booth. Please come and learn more at pepperdash.com.